final year postgraduate student at Department of Physiology of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal reportedly tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. Following the development, as per an order issued by RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor C.H. Arun Kumar Singh, the Departments of Physiology and Biochemistry RIMS have been shut until further orders. Manipur recorded 64 new COVID-19 positive cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 1,764. Altogether, 45 males and 19 females were confirmed positive at Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of RIMS and Janims in Imphal, according to COVID-19 Command Control Room. They have been shifted to COVID care facilities. Currently, the number of active cases in the state is 635, while the number of recoveries is 1,129. The recovery rate has increased to 64%. 4 ministers of the ruling BJP are heading for the national capital today to lobby with the party's central leaderships to replace Nongthombam Biren as the Chief Minister of Manipur. According to sources, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen and Agriculture Minister B. Hankhalian would be leaving for the national capital at 3:30 p.m. India's coronavirus tally has exceeded 10 lakh after nearly 35,000 cases were reported from different parts of the country in the last 24 hours. The country has also reported 687 deaths, the highest single-day death rate reported ever since the pandemic began. According to media reports, with 34,956 cases were reported in India in the past 24 hours, the total tally of cases in India is 10,03,832. Of this, 3,42,473 are active cases, while 6,35,757 people have discharged after recovery. The country's death toll from the deadly virus has also crossed 25,000. A team of Bishnupur District Police Commando arrested a man with 9.5 kg of opium at Paugak Chau Ikhai crossing on Tidim Road under Bishnupur District. The arrested has been identified as Mangliu Singsit, age 45 years, of Kamai village in Tamenglong District. COVID-19 deaths in the neighboring Assam have reached 50 so far. The state continues to witness a surge in the number of COVID-19 cases. According to our Assam Bureau Chief, the total number of COVID-19 cases has touched 20,646, with 7,039 active cases and 13,554 individuals have recovered from the disease. Meanwhile, the flood situation in Assam is worsening. 11 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 in Meghalaya today, taking the total active cases to 337. So far, 49 infected persons have recovered and 2 have died. The total cases in Meghalaya now stand at 388. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today reached Ladakh to review the ground situation of troops at the hostile border areas with China. According to media reports, Rajnath Singh will also interact with the soldiers and review the operational preparedness of the force.